Outbrain Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to Outbrain are in the description. Outbrain is a top-tier native advertising platform that helps brands, publishers, and marketers drive traffic, engagement, and conversions by placing sponsored content across premium websites. You've likely seen Outbrain's content recommendation widgets under articles on major news sites, promoting articles, videos, and product pages in a non-intrusive way. Unlike traditional display or search ads, Outbrain's native approach blends seamlessly with website content, resulting in higher engagement and more cost-effective conversions. A key strength of Outbrain is its AI-powered recommendation engine, which analyzes user behavior to deliver highly relevant content suggestions. This ensures your ads are shown to users who are most likely to engage, improving click-through rates and overall campaign performance. The platform supports multiple ad formats, including article promotions, video ads, app installs, and carousel ads, giving advertisers plenty of flexibility. It's particularly effective for content marketers, e-commerce brands, and lead generation campaigns looking to drive high-intent traffic. The Outbrain dashboard provides real-time analytics, allowing advertisers to track impressions, CTR, conversions, and cost per click, CPC. It also offers advanced targeting options such as interest-based, contextual, geo, and device-based targeting, ensuring you reach the right audience. One standout feature is Outbrain's engagement bid strategy, which optimizes bids automatically for the best performing placements, maximizing ROI without constant manual adjustments. Additionally, it integrates with major tracking tools like Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel, helping advertisers refine their strategies. Outbrain operates on a CPC model, allowing advertisers to control their budget and bid competitively for ad placements. While it's an excellent platform for expanding reach beyond search and social ads, success depends on compelling ad creatives and continuous performance monitoring. The traffic quality varies depending on the publishers, so regular optimization is essential. If you're looking to scale your content marketing efforts and drive targeted traffic through native advertising, Outbrain is a solid choice. It's best suited for brands focused on content distribution and performance-driven campaigns. Check the links in the description to explore Outbrain and see how it can enhance your marketing strategy.